So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make the text in your presentation all capitals on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, to add some text, go to the top here to where it says text. Simply press on that. And I'm just going to type in the word all caps, ironically, in all lowercase. So if I were to go ahead and make this a little bit larger like this, now the simplest way to do it would simply be to just hold down caps lock and type in all caps. But let's say you have text like this in all lowercase and you don't want to retype everything. Press on the text right here, open up where it says text, go down to this little gear icon like this right here. Now if you press on this, you can actually go down to where it says capitalization, and right now it says none. If you were to press on this and go on all caps, it actually changes your writing to all caps. So you can go ahead and turn this off like that and have it what it was before. But super simple, super straightforward. This is how to make text all caps on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.